Hello and welcome to the session. Principles of Operations Management LO4. Conduct a strategic risk analysis (SRA) on the operations functions of an organization. Are you ready to delve into the strategic risk analysis in operations management? This video will guide you through the principles and methodologies essential for assessing operational risks. Discover how organizations can enhance resilience and sustainability through effective risk management. Risk analysis is a systematic approach to identifying and evaluating factors that could jeopardize an organization's success. It involves identifying risks, assessing their impact, and prioritizing them. This process helps in making informed decisions and safeguarding against setbacks. It is used across various sectors like finance and project management. Effective risk analysis is crucial for achieving organizational goals. Risk analysis can be conducted at operational, tactical, and strategic levels. Each level has its unique focus, from day-to-day operations to long-term strategic risks. Operational risks include machinery failure and supply chain disruptions. Tactical risks cover marketing campaigns and financial decisions. Strategic risks involve geopolitical changes and market competition. At the operational level, risk analysis focuses on daily operations. It involves assessing immediate risks like machinery failure or employee absenteeism. The process-based model of operational risk is used here. This model identifies and mitigates risks within internal processes. Regular maintenance and safety protocols are examples of mitigation strategies. Tactical risk analysis deals with medium-term risks affecting competitive position. It uses frameworks like the resource-based view and SWOT analysis. Risks include marketing campaign failures and financial decisions. Mitigation strategies could involve A/B testing, and financial planning. Tactical analysis ensures an organization remains competitive. Strategic risk analysis focuses on long-term risks, such as geopolitical changes. Theoretical frameworks like pestle analysis and scenario planning are employed. The aim is to align strategy with environmental changes. Mitigation strategies include diversified investments. This ensures the organization is prepared for future challenges. Risk analysis offers options like avoidance, reduction, transfer, and acceptance. Avoidance involves eliminating risks by not engaging in risky activities. Reduction aims to minimize risk impact through safety measures. Transfer shifts risk responsibility to another party, often via insurance. Acceptance involves acknowledging and managing acceptable risks. Risk avoidance means eliminating risks by avoiding certain actions. It's a proactive approach to prevent risks. Reduction involves minimizing risk impact through measures like quality control. Theoretical frameworks like the precautionary principle guide these strategies. Both options aim to safeguard against potential setbacks. Risk transfer shifts responsibility to another party, often through insurance. It's supported by the concept of risk pooling. Acceptance involves acknowledging risks and deciding not to mitigate them. This is based on the risk-reward trade-off theory. Both strategies require careful consideration of potential impacts. Risk management standards enhance organizational resilience. ISO 310000 provides guidelines for a systematic risk management approach. It emphasizes integrating risk management into governance structures. Benchmarking against industry best practices is crucial. This ensures continuous improvement and effective risk mitigation. Benchmarking involves comparing risk management practices against industry standards. It identifies areas for improvement and effective strategies. For example, comparing incident response times can highlight necessary enhancements. Safety assessments also benefit from benchmarking. This leads to more robust safety measures and accident prevention. Basel III framework focuses on financial stability in the banking sector. It sets regulatory capital requirements and liquidity management standards. NIST Special Publication 800-53 is for information security. It provides guidelines for safeguarding information systems. Both serve as benchmarks for their respective sectors. The Project Management Institute's Risk Management Standard offers best practices. It includes processes like risk identification and response planning. This standard is part of the broader project management body of knowledge. It serves as a benchmark for project risk management. Effective project risk management ensures successful outcomes. Strategic risk analysis is a continuous process for identifying significant risks. It integrates risk management principles into strategic planning. The process includes risk identification, assessment, and mitigation planning. Tools like PESTLE and SWOT analyses support this. Continuous monitoring ensures the organization adapts to changing risks. PEST and SWOT analyses are extended to manage uncertainties. They help develop contingency plans and mitigation strategies. PEST focuses on external factors like political and economic risks. SWOT assesses internal strengths and weaknesses. Together, they prepare organizations for potential threats. Risk identification involves systematically identifying potential risks. It uses data, expert opinions, and stakeholder input. Risk mapping visually represents risks, often with a risk matrix. This helps prioritize risks based on impact and likelihood. Effective identification and mapping support risk assessment and response prioritization. Enterprise Risk Management and Decision Theory Guide Risk Management. ERM covers broader strategic objectives and a holistic approach. Decision theory helps choose among alternatives under uncertainty. Both frameworks emphasize information gathering and risk assessment. They support well-informed decision-making in risk management. Risk identification uses techniques like expert interviews and document reviews. Brainstorming sessions engage stakeholders in identifying risks. Risk mapping uses a heat map to plot risks by likelihood and impact. Color coding indicates risk levels, aiding quick understanding. This structured approach supports effective risk management. Stakeholder analysis is crucial for understanding risk relationships. Stakeholders like investors, suppliers, and customers have specific concerns. Theoretical frameworks like stakeholder theory and agency theory explore these relationships. Effective analysis aligns organizational strategies with stakeholder expectations. This promotes resilience and sustainability. Stakeholder-related risks require tailored management strategies. Transparency and communication are vital for stakeholder trust. Collaboration with suppliers can mitigate shared risks. Customized strategies address specific stakeholder concerns. This approach ensures alignment with stakeholder expectations and enhances organizational resilience. In conclusion, conducting a strategic risk analysis on the operations function is essential for identifying, assessing, and managing risks that may impact organizational performance. A strategic risk analysis helps organizations anticipate operational disruptions, evaluate the likelihood and impact of risks, and implement appropriate control and mitigation strategies. By proactively managing operational risks, organizations can protect resources, maintain continuity, and support strategic objectives. Effective risk analysis strengthens resilience and enables informed decision-making within operations management. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616888.